Hey guys, how you doing today? I've got something really cool that I want to show you. I've been working on this project for about 2 years, and I'm finally at that point of final polishing, getting ready to launch it. Now, this is Eternall Recall. It's a true persistent AI memory system built on Act R from Carnegie Institute. Now, we all know the pain. Every AI conversation starts from zero. ChatGPT constantly forgets your preferences. Claude can't remember your projects. Every session you wind up starting over. They'll have something, boom! God forbid, it freaks out and destroys everything you've been working on. My system has it built into the memory system with a recall feature that you can recall and rebuild and gather all your project back, no matter what happened, in less than 5 minutes. Now, what if your AI actually remembered all this? It could do that in 5 minutes for you. Oops, there's a mistake. Let me fix that. Regardless of getting broken out of context, regardless of going beyond context, regardless of getting shut off, regardless of local or running on a big AI model. Doesn't matter. It can do it for you. This is the power of Eternall Recall. It's the AI memory that never forgets you, your projects, what you're doing. On top of it, it even winds up creating its prompts based on how you talk to it for different types of projects you do. It will actually remember it later, so you don't have to worry about constantly prompting in every single little detail for everything that you're doing. This is the memory system that we've been waiting for. Now, if you look over here, this is the basic dashboard for it. It's pretty simple. You got your basic turn on, turn off button. You got your restart for the memory system. It gives you a basic health dashboard. What's really cool about it is right here is the alert system. If your memory health starts having issues and starts having problems, it's going to scan it and do it. And it's going to have a one-click solution. Hey, something's wrong here. Click this to automatically fix it. Boom, done, fixed for you. I took all the hard work out of it. Its metrics are all here, and they're all explanatory on here. These are extra actions to be able to do it, including a special feature that I built in. I'm always working on a bunch of projects. I don't know about you guys, but man, I lose track of my folders. I lose track of access. I forget where they're all at. It gets a little nuts. So I built in a boosting of your projects feature that ultimately is just a fancy way of saying its memory structure is always going to be the highest until you mark that project as complete, allowing the system to easily pull all the details for you. It automatically stores your memory presence. It runs up on this Act R decay feature, which is, God, it's math proven for over 50 years. I'm gonna have all kinds of papers and stuff for you to look through. You can actually see in real time how your system's being affected, what memory things are going on, how they're broken up. The knowledge graph is really freaking cool feature. Kind of just a way for you to see how it works. So if I toggle on physics over here and open this up, you can actually see how it is actually neural networking all your stuff together here. And if you click on a node over here on the right hand side, it actually gives you all the details of what's connected to that memory and the individual ones inside that have connections for those and connections for those and connections for those. This is how our system winds up pulling it. So therefore you don't pull the entire context and waste your context memory. You only pull the necessary information you need to continue working on what you were working on. And as you continue to talk with it, it's going to automatically load in the other context for you. So you just talk to it normally, and then over time it gets to know you better, understands your project better, and can bring everything up for you. All right, that's enough on a little dashboard. This is just a quick little introduction. But this is persistent memory. This AI is going to remember you across sessions, days, months, years. And this memory system stays local on your system. No paying for cloud fees, no having to connect to something else. All you need is to have your software set up with a large language model that you want to use, whether you use an LM Studio, OpenFart, or Web UI, whatever you're using. You just need to be able to connect it via MCP, and you're good. And I actually am going to build in an auto connect feature up here to make it a whole lot easier for everybody out there. Now, I want to show you this. The cold start. Look at this. Nothing going on here whatsoever. If I come into here and I type, what were we last working on? Now, you see there's no chats over here, no projects over here, nothing here, nothing saved. It's automatically pulling up my memory system. Brings in the context that it needs based on where we last left off. I can simply type continue and it'll keep doing what we are working on automatically without me saying anything. But there really is no need for all that. Now right here, it's talking about I'm working on the master roadmap for auto connecting LLM features in the execution timeline for me launching this and getting this out. I'm literally using Claude right now as my primary source for building this. Eventually it'll work with all large language models, multimodal and everything as well. It's going to be under 20 tools in total, but I will talk more about that later. Look at that though. That's freaking awesome how it managed to bring it up out of nowhere. Like, it's always there, always local, always available. Now, this is built on real science. All right, I'm not talking just some foo-foo things and stuff like that. This is straight up built on real science for you. Now, if you actually look over here, the science behind this Eternall Recall, it's not marketing hop, it's real. It's ACTAR cognitive architecture that was founded and recognized by Carnegie Mellon University. Now, to explain the depth of this exact same memory model is what is used by the US military, NASA, and AI research labs to understand how the human brain works. I spent over 2 years researching this and figuring out how I could actually get this placed in as well. And yes, I got research documentations for you guys to look at. Now, as I can tell, it looks like I'm the very first person to actually apply this to an actual large language model. This is 50 years of proven research on the human memory. Now it's going to power how it remembers you, how you work with your projects, how y'all work together as a team to move forward and build something great. Now, the problem is most other systems out there, you're going to say, hey, there's other memory systems, blah, blah, blah. There's other things that are accessible. Yeah, first off, you're stuck behind a cloud. They got horrible freaking payments that you have to do with it. It's not a one-time payment, you're done, and it's yours and everything, you own it. No, they can do whatever they want with your data. That makes it worse is most of these guys are set up in nothing but a straight-up timer. In other words, after 30 days, it's gone. All your data, all your work, it's gone. Done. And unless you take the time to save a bunch of markdown files and everything else, and we all know that bloats your context window, and you lose the ability to actually continue working eventually because there's too much context. So it has amnesia and goes crazy. My system, Eternall Recall, is built on ACT-R. This is known as cognitive decay. Memories will naturally fade, but they will never be deleted. They just get a little bit harder to reach. But anytime you talk to your system, and you mention that you're trying to work on something, it's automatically going to scan through all the memories or what it can to be able to get them and connect them through nodes, little small points in architecture to be able to hit there. And when it's not able to actually find it initially, it's going to go ahead and do a deep node check real quick. If still not found, then it'll come up, hey, I can't find what you're talking about. This thing works amazing, all right? I've been doing this been working on this for over 2 years, been using it consistently for about 6 months, fine-tuning things. I'm just ready to get it out to you. And guys, that's Eternall Recall. I hope you enjoy it, guys. I've been working on this for over 2 years in solo development. I just got tired of my AI forgetting everything when I was working on projects or building way too much, overbuilding, getting cluttered, things just working like crazy and poof, gone. Now, I actually have something to share with you, and I can't wait to be able to do it. So please click the like button, subscribe. If you want to go ahead and sign up early, I'm doing a Kickstarter launch to fine-tune some things. It'll help while I'm working on that. If you're interested in the project, you want to help out, want early access and early bird deals, click down below and go sign up for the email subscription and registration. No spam, no nothing like that. I'm simply going to email you the moment it hits Kickstarter, so you can get in there first, you can get in there fast, and you can get your hands on this quicker than anybody else. Alright guys, I want to thank you very much for watching my video. You have a wonderful day.